How are you, sir? Good. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Yeah. It's, of course, it's all the religion and the communities. Yes. Yeah. This is Yazidi, Nadia, as you mentioned, the Nadia. We just want to present this to exist, coexisting and living together.
Coesistenza delle religioni.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thanks.
Questo lo facciamo qui nei nostri uffici, se lei lo vede bene,
This is a sign of
e
peace.
poi l'albero della vite
And the vine,
è simbolo di pace.
the symbol of peace.
Siate messaggi,
Messengers of peace.
questo è il mio ricordo a voi.
Grazie. Thank you. Thank you.
Close to his heart.
Thank you very much.
E questo è bello,
Memory of his visit.
You remember this?
Yes.
You remember. It was very difficult, even yourself. You remember. Anyway, thank you very much.
This is the
This is the Holy Father's message for the World Day of
Yes.
Peace
quest'anno
for this year.
Yes.
che ho dovuto firmare per
Today he signed and
Yes.
mandated it for you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Merci.
Siamo
Thank you
poi
very
per
much. Thank you. Thank you.
E questi sono scritti sulla fratellanza, sull'unità nostra.
Those are the Holy Father's writings on.
Lotto per lotto popolo.
I want to tell you I'm close to your people, that I love your people, and pray and struggle for your people.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Popolo martire.
A martyred people.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
God bless you and pray for me. I give for you.
Please. Thank you very much.
And go on,
Thank you.
go on.
Thanks. Yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you.